Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone stack notifications not working issue. So guys, here are the some steps you can try to fix iPhone stack notifications not working. So guys, first of all, check for software updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version, as notification issues can be fixed in software updates. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, go to general, tap on software update here. So wait for checking for update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the updated version, and then after this the next solution is turn off do not disturb mode. So for this, open control center, and here is the do not disturb mode. If the do not disturb mode is enabled on your iPhone, so turn this off and then go back. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix minor software glitches. So for this, tap on the power button and the volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So after this, open the lock screen. So guys, after restarting, the next solution is turn off and on notifications for the app. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on notifications, scroll down. So like if the app is not working for App Store, go to App Store and allow notifications turn off and turn it on again for all the applications. So after this, the next solution is reset network settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode. So guys, this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. So after this, the next solution is uninstall and reinstall the app. If the previous steps don't work, you can try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it from App Store. So guys, after this, contact Apple Support. If the issue persists, you can contact Apple Support for further assistance. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.